A city is shaped not first by its walls, but by the invisible hand of its laws. Laws are the silent architects of the human soul, carving order into chaos, discipline into impulse, and justice into desire. When laws are just, men rise. When laws are corrupt, men decay. And yet those very laws are born from the men who create them. Thus, the circle is complete. Good laws give birth to good men, and good men, in turn, give birth to good laws. The archetype of this cycle is the eternal dance between ruler and ruled. The law stands as the guardian of virtue, binding passions, restraining greed, directing the soul toward justice. But the law is not alive on its own. It is animated by the spirit of men who write it, interpret it, and enforce it. If those men are corrupt, the law becomes a weapon. If those men are virtuous, the law becomes a shield. Plato envisioned this harmony in the philosopher-king, whose soul, shaped by truth, could shape the laws of the city in turn. And you? What laws shape you now? Do you walk freely because justice protects you, or do you bend beneath rules forged for power rather than fairness? Remember this: laws are mirrors. They reflect the character of those who make them, but they also project their influence into the hearts of those who obey them. A corrupt law teaches corruption. A noble law teaches nobility. If you live under unjust laws and do not resist, you risk becoming unjust yourself. The Stoics taught this balance with piercing clarity. Marcus Aurelius ruled not by whim, but by principle, striving to let law be the extension of reason. Seneca reminded that a people cannot thrive when their statutes honor vice more than virtue. Epictetus taught that no man is truly free if his law enslaves his spirit. The measure of a people's greatness is found not in the monuments they build, but in the justice of the laws they live by and the integrity of the men who craft them. The archetype of the citizen must rise to meet this truth, for if citizens demand only comfort, they will receive laws of indulgence. If they demand only privilege, they will receive laws of division. But if they demand justice, they summon forth leaders of character. You too carry this weight. Do not wait for a philosopher-king if you are unwilling to live as a philosopher-citizen. Good men are not accidents. They are forged by the laws they honor and the responsibilities they choose. When this cycle is unbroken, a city flourishes. Good laws protect the weak, uplift the worthy, and restrain the corrupt. Good men defend these laws, refine them, and hand them as a sacred trust to the next generation. In this harmony, the state becomes not a cage, but a sanctuary, where law and virtue are one. So let the circle turn within you. Live as if the laws you follow today will shape the men and women of tomorrow.
Please, if this resonates with you, subscribe for daily Plato-inspired lessons on leadership, governance, and the psychology of citizens. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we publish a new video. Thank you for watching.